Yeah, thank you very much. Well, no be my show, and we're not supposed to come prove say that we funny pass. We can't support our guy. But first of all, I would like give honor to whom honor is due. You will just come UK 2 months ago. You don't the correct person for them. Nigerians can show themselves. Like say that you get the language. But ladies and gentlemen, when I started comedy a few years back in Nigeria, I was introduced to him by a comedian. He's late now, late Abagana. And when I was introduced to this legend, he did not even ask to see my performance before inviting me to perform in his show. And it's rare. Ladies and gentlemen, I had a beautiful time being on the stage of Crack Your Ribs, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, London. Please, please celebrate this legend, the living legend. Julius, the Juniors, Agu, come on, celebrate, celebrate. Thank you so much, thank you so much. It's Good Friday. And if you believe Jesus is the reason for the season, celebrate Jesus, celebrate Jesus. If you believe. But honestly speaking, I want to think now today, for Bible, Jesus died, on the 3rd day, he rise. You don't imagine, say not be smart thing Jesus do for us, to come die for us. Imagine say, I can't think, say, imagine say Jesus, imagine say a Nigerian man. Imagine. No, just imagine as I talk. Nigerian man. Imagine say that from Niger Delta, very stubborn. He can't agree to die for you. You know, say Bible make us understand, say, when they nailed Jesus for cross, the crowd, people they shout, kill him, kill him. True of us. Kill him, kill him. What did Jesus stop when he heard that thing? He said, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. Imagine saying a Nigerian man won't die for you. He just volunteered to die for you. They don't nail him for cross. He won't die for you. You can't get the crowd. They shout, kill her! Kill her! Right shot, kill her! I trust worry man, we won't die for you. As he hear that killer, he go just look who they talk for crowd. Killer! When he don't fit take him again, he go just come out in hand for the name. Poop! Poop! He go just waka come meet you for the crowd. You the grace. Now because I won't die for you, that's why they talk anyhow. I swear to God, if I die for you, man, I die. And since I got UK, I can't discover say on our churches for years they sweet. I go Jesus house UK. Oh. Pastor, I could not see your dressing like this. Jesus house UK. When you see ushers, now from where we park, they don't they smile. As we reach the end, another usher take over. We dey walk, I never sit down. And somebody carry my Bible for me. They escort me out. I sit down, they say they greet me. And you know for Nigeria, you know say we Nigerians will stop on. You give me an usher, go say, please. You go say, it dey happen, abi? We stubborn. Usher go say, please, it's the house of God though. We go see the follow usher there. Now for UK, that's if you walk. All those quiet ushers there, responsible. As they say, as they laugh, they call you. Now for UK, go try am for churches for Ojo Elegba or Mushi or Ajegule. When we say the ushers, now all those alaye wey give their life to Christ, all those armed robbers wey don kill people tire, God come manage convert them. They come say make dem join usher, come wear suit and tie. They come start, you go enter church, they come do. You when say you stubborn, come say I trust those stouts. Those are like, he go first look you. You go say he go look you. Now you go carry your Bible to go for church. And I don't notice different things now. See, I thank God for my life. I thank God for my family. And they talk, I said it in AY Life. Before I married, I dated a girl in Nigeria for 8 years. 8 years. I couldn't tell this girl, say, oh, I'm not going to wait till I finish. Girls we don't say we never married, they say you wicked, you wicked, you wicked. You don't even wait to make I finish the story. You don't they judge me. See I am, see. Bring it on. You know, for 8 years, I couldn't beg this girl say, now Yoruba girl, I'm serious, I want to marry you. I want to meet your parents. Boys don't show you for this UK. And you will still be showed. Because your mind is not strong. Not lie. Not be joking. The guy said, Emeka, you know what? You can't meet my parents. You can't. I said, why? He said, please, you can see, my mom likes Yoruba boys. You are an Igbo guy. My mom hates Igbo. Yoruba, once you are Yoruba. But I can't say I need to. I say 8 years is no joke. I'm serious. I want to marry you. She can say, okay, since you insist, when you get to my house, if my mom should ask you, what's your name? Please say your name is BC. I say BC, Emeka, BC. He said, if you want this thing to work, it's BC. I say, okay. The next day, that's how we reach the house. That's all. Yoruba woman don't sit down for parlor, they wait. As we enter, I say, Mommy, good afternoon. Say, hey! Oh, Mommy. The first way she asked me, Kilo Rukore. Now I say, my girl called it. Now I say, BC. She can't look me. Oluwa Esheo, Oluwa Esheo, Oluwa Esheo. As she say, Oluwa Esheo, me, I can't carry the way. I can't eye my girl say this thing don't work. Oh. Now the woman look me, my son. My late husband is at DBC. My best friend is Oyebisi. Our neighbors is Onabisi. My son, which BC are you? I confuse. I don't know when I say Undu BC. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the night. God bless you.